on, guys? It's Logan from Street Spec here, and finally back at it again with the Mazda RX-7 86 FC, baby. 6-port 13B, but yeah, had to take a break due to medical reasons, but now we should be back at it again here shortly. Which the car's not one to start. Thinking I already took one bolt off, but this intake was wobbly, and also I don't know if it has a gasket or an O-ring up under there, so I'm gonna go take this off to see if that could be our issue. Get this off. Yeah, if you're ever working on an FC, taking the intake off, be very careful about this bolt down here. Well, it's a nut on there. Taking these off, they are easy to drop, and when they drop, you cannot find them. Full life. I don't know where they go. They just falling forever. Alright, now that's off. Okay, so we can see what's supposed to be sealing this. It's a O-ring here, which it's not. If this isn't sealing well, could be an issue. Gunk, you could see in the video, definitely could be part of our issue of why we're getting a vacuum leak, because you're definitely going to want a flat surface for this to seal. Alright, so to check and see how this rubber was doing around this, which it's not terrible. I mean, it's definitely seen better days, especially right here. It's want to stay like crunched in right there, but it's not terrible. I think we can still usable. I'm going to tighten this on and see if I can get this to actually go on here. Alright, be back. Alright, putting the intake back onto the throttle body for right now, just so we don't get any water or any dust up in the throttle body, because that wouldn't be good. So just gonna put it back on for right now until the O-ring gets here, and then we'll replace it and see if get Nacho running again. So that's the name of the RX-7. I don't know if I've mentioned it on the channel before, but yeah. See it if the O-ring is what you needed. Hopefully it's just what the doctor ordered. I'm gonna try a start on Nacho and see how she's feeling. Okay. Make sure she's in neutral. She's alive. Got a little bit of fireball there. Just a shitload of smoke coming out, which that's probably because it's mad at me for not cranking it forever. Almost backfired there. A little backfire, but still smoking a little bit, but most of the oil's burned off now, so it's doing a lot better. It's actually at the OEM idle now. Yeah, the O-ring's definitely bad, but listen to this. Hear that? It kicks down. Let off of it, so definitely replace that O-ring and hopefully we'll be back in business.